In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best navigation discount promo code in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for navigation discount promo code. Right here, go to this website, which is called simplycodes.com. And as you can see, we have a list with some promo codes that we can use to get a discount. For example, if you want to get this 10% discount, all you need to do is select copy code from right here. And you can copy this promo code and you can apply this one on your next order in order to get this 10% discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, we have this website which is called retrieve.com. And as you can see, we also have at least two different types of promo codes that we can use. For example, if you want to get this 10% discount of store-wide, all you need to do is select copy code from right here. And this is your promo code. You can copy this one and you can use this promo code on your next order in order to get this 10% discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.